Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. And as you can see, this big section is connected to the ringtone, so here we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, and also for alarms, events and notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone section, for example for calls. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 3 options highlighted. Of course you can tap on it, listen how it sounds and choose it, but if you do not like them, just tap on all ringtones. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. What's more, we can choose local ringtone, and it means that we will be able to choose our own ringtone. So for example, if you have downloaded some music or something, then it will appear right here or in the music album, and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back to this list. What's more, here you've got the option don't send ringtone, and it means that your device won't notify you about any incoming calls, because we are in the ringtones attached to the incoming calls. And now let me show you how to listen how the particular one sounds. Simply tap on it, just like that. And thanks to this you can listen all of them. And if you're happy with your choice, for example, if you want to set this one as a default ringtone, then simply make sure that it is marked. So make sure that it is blue, and now we can go back. As you can see, it appears here. Let's get back again. It is also visible on the general page of sound and vibration, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with, for example, alarms, so simply tap here. Here you've got some more highlighted options. If not, just tap on all ringtones, and here you've got the full list of them. And the same situation, you can choose don't send ringtone or choose a local one. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi POCO C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.